everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Florentina. So in today's video, half of myself is ready. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another review. So in today's video we are going to be testing this bad boy. So this is the Beauty Works Molly-Mae curl kit. Now this is just everywhere. It's on Instagram. Well, yes, everywhere on Instagram basically. And this is really hyped up. I've seen Molly use it so many times, and I was just like, right, are these better than the Mark Hill ones? Are they better than the ones that are out there? So I'm going to be testing this product. If you are interested in my honest reviews and what I think about this product, then keep on watching. I have washed my hair, I've done my makeup, and now it's time to do the hair. So first off, I'm just going to put some products in my hair. I'm going to blow dry my hair and then we'll dive into the video. So before diving into this video, while I'm rocking the sexy wet look, I'm literally just going to talk about what you get in your kit. So this is available on Pretty Little Thing and also on Look Fantastic. That's where I got this from. I got mine for $79.99 I believe, and on Beauty Works it does retail for £80. I can't remember off the top of my head, but if you do use code Molly-Mae10, that gives you 10% off on the Beauty Works website. I will link the prices and where you can get them all in the description box below. So it's massive, like I'm not gonna lie, like it's huge. And then in your curl kit you'll get your wand. This is really big, so if you've got really long hair, this is perfect because you're going to get everything on there. You literally just turn on the button once and it will heat straight up to 180 degrees. You can turn it up and turn the heat down, and then you just hold it down when you want to turn it off. Also, you get the Molly-Mae brush. This brush is lovely. I love these brushes. These are brilliant for all hair types really, and this is what you're going to use to style out your curls after. You get a lovely glove, which I wish they wouldn't do it in white because somehow I've managed to get everything on it, including my fake tan that I don't even fake tan with. Like, I don't curl my hair once using fake tan, so I don't know what that is about. But yeah, it would have been great in a different colour, but I recommend using this because then you can really get the last bit of your hair onto the wand, otherwise it won't be curly. And then it also comes with this bag, like so. So it's really good for travel. You open it and it comes with your sectioning clips, so you get 10 sectioning clips with the product. And then in here you can base your curling wand. I fitted all of it in. It actually does fit in, I believe, which is the brush, the curling, no, the brush I don't think goes in. Well, you have to like wedge it, I think. The glove and your wand. The only drawback I'll say to this is normally they are like a heat mat, so that would have been fantastic, but there is a stand on the actual curling wand, so that compensates it. What I don't like about this is the fabric. Everything is sticking to it, all the fluff. But apart from that, for what you get, I don't think it's a bad price. That's if the product's good. But getting the sectioning clips, getting the brush, getting the wand and getting the glove, I think it's quite a good deal. So yeah, that's what you get in the kit. So I'm just going to quickly add some music in. I'm just going to style my hair with some products, dry it, and then we'll get to the curl. I'm just going to go in. So first thing, I'm just going to go in with my semi to wet hair. The Wave Spray by Mark Hill. I love this. And then I'm also going to be mixing that with the Mark Hill Styling Heat Protection as well. So yeah, let's just quickly go in and do that. Add this product to the top so much because I find that it interferes when using any kind of styling products. That's just me, that might not be anybody else, but it just makes the top of your hair really greasy as well. I love this brush. This brush is so nice. And then we're going to take the heat protector and with literally, I squirt them into my hand. I don't squirt it onto my hair. I just find you can control the product more when you do that. otherwise it's just a shit show. Like it goes everywhere but the hair. Like I end up spraying my eyes and yeah, not a good look. So I'm just working that into my hair that seems to be still knotty, which is not cool. And then for my hairdryer, I'm taking my trusted Parlex 3200. I swear by these hairdryers. They're powerful, they're fantastic, they're reliable, they don't blow up, and yeah, I've been using these in the salon since I was a hairdresser. You can get all different speeds, and these retail for I think £70 and up. I'll link it down below. These can be purchased from Sally's, Salon Services, and again their main website. And yeah, it's Italian, so enough said. So I'm just going to go and rough dry my... Okay, so my hair is blow dried and I've just sectioned off because I'm going to start at the bottom. A nightmare, and I'm so hot. I always seem to wear jumpers every time I film and it's just not fun. So sexy glove on. So I'm just going to take a section. Now you need to make sure that your sections are neat so you know where on earth. I'm just going to pin those there. I'm going to divide that into two, like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple and then I'll literally just put music on and fast track it, otherwise we're going to be here for like ever. But I just want to show you what it's like. So I'm literally just going to take it and roll the glove. And then what I mean is with this bit you can see that that's not going to get curl, but if you've got the glove on you can hover it over and you won't burn yourself. Trust me, the glove is like really good. Otherwise that curl just loses out and then it's like great, you got half of your hair. It may burn you a little bit, but just persevere a little bit. Everyone says how long do you hold this for, and it's like really hard to say because everyone's a bit different. I mean, until I feel that it's like really hot, then I would say, but I don't know how many seconds. I'd say probably no more than 40. Hold that curl in. So I'm just going to hold that curl in my hand, leave it to like set. I've always done this. I think everyone does this. Gives it that extra bounce, I think. And then I'm going to drop it and spray it because I find that these curls are not lasting, I think, unless you spray it. But everyone's hair is different. That's just my opinion. So I'm not going to pin it up. So I'm just going to leave it. So that's the curl. as you can see. So it does curl really well. So I've just sprayed it and now I'm going to leave it and move on. So just taking small sections. I think you have to really be in the mood to curl your hair sometimes. Sometimes I'm just like, oh, it's long. That's why I always ended up using hair straighteners, because I just found it so, well, my GHDs, because I just found it quicker. Sexy. So again, I'm just gonna separate, move that. And then I'm just going to wrap it under and then roll it. Not so much to your head, otherwise you'll burn it. And then yeah. And then catch it like so. And then you're just going to drop it. And there's your curl. So it curls really well. And there's your curl. So I'm literally just going to go through my whole hair, put some music in, fast track it, and I'll meet you at the end when it's ready to style.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so that's all my hair curled. I did pin up some of these, so I'm just going to let them down now. And I wanted to show you what it's like if you don't pin it up and if you pin it up. So this is not pinned up, and I have to say this one is just been so stubborn. It doesn't want to curl, which annoys me. So I'm just waiting to do that one again. So this is pinned up, as you can see, because they are just so bouncy. They're like how Molly's comes out. And this is if you don't pin it up. So this side is pretty much, you can see the massive difference. So these ones to this one, there's like a huge difference if you don't pin it up. Comparing these curls, you've got the height, and then comparing it to these ones, they're just not good. If you don't pin them up, it looks like you haven't really done anything with it. And we're going to take the brush that she goes in to brush her curls. So yeah, there is like a massive difference, but what can you do? So I'm just going to go in lightly and brush the hair. Now I have got a fringe, but I'm not working with that today. I'm just going to lightly brush and see where the hair is falling. Go in and take some hairspray and let's set that. So this is the finished look. You can definitely tell that you need to pin this hair up if you want it to have results. I find that this side has got more of a curl than this side because this was pinned up. So definitely I think pinning it up you need if you don't want it flat and not much of a curl. Overall I do like the curlers. I think they're really good. They can give off like a big bouncy blow. I think I need to do it again, pinning my whole hair up and then looking after that. I mean, it's easy to style. I don't know whether this look will last you. So like when I curl my hair with my straighteners or when I curl it with the Mark Hill curling tongs, I can get a good 2 or 3 days out of that. I think with a look like this, it's not going to last you more than a day. I mean, that's just my opinion. I mean, I might do a check-in later to show you how it's lasted, how long it's done, but I don't think it's going to hold, and no amount of hairspray that I'm going to put on is going to hold this look. So if you're looking for something long term, like a good 2 days out of it, then I don't know if this is going to be that. Like a different, this is more like beachy wave. This is not a proper curl. This is more like a beach wavy soft natural look. So if that's something you're going for, then this curler will be perfect for you. But yeah, I mean, I like them. I'm not like raving about them. Everything you get in the kit and the packaging, everything is really nice. I love the fact that you get the clips. I like the fact that you get the brush and the curling ton and the glove. But would I pay £80 for this again? No, I really wouldn't, because I really don't think it's worth that much money. I think it's got to have a lot of expectations. So for £80 I would expect double the clips. So instead of having 10, maybe 20, because there's people out there that's got long hair, that's got really thick hair, and 10 clips are not going to get you anywhere. It's going to get you like half a head, if that. So I wouldn't necessarily run out and buy this product again for the money's worth. I mean, my Mark Hill one, I think it's about £25, and then you just add each barrels and you can get such amazing curls with them. I know your GHDs are higher, but you can get 2 looks out of them. You can either straighten your hair or you can curl your hair. So to have this product for £80 I think is quite steep. But yeah, let me know your comments. Let me know if you've used this product. Let me know what you think about it. This is just my review. Like I said, the curls are lovely, but you have to pin them up and you really have to work at it as well. I also noticed that when curling, you really have to leave the curl on the wand for quite a long time. And I'm just checking in to show you what the wear like is on the curls. So I've had the curls in for about 4 hours now, and they have dropped, you can see, but they're still there. I have to say that this side has lasted longer after pinning it up, but this side you can see that by in a few hours time or by tomorrow there's nothing that's really going to be there. I mean, I'll check in later, I'll see what it's like, I'll see if it's holding, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you guys have used these curling ones, let me know your thoughts. Like to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a little comment in the comment box below. Give this video a like, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now.